In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We're focusing on version history, the built-in safety net that lets you review past edits and bring your document back to a previous state if something goes wrong. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to read it, and how to recover earlier work with confidence. Start in your document. Open the Google Doc you want to work on and make sure you're viewing the correct file. It's helpful to quickly scan the title at the top and confirm you have the right tab open, especially if you've got multiple documents going at once. If you're collaborating, check that you have edit access so your changes and recoveries can be applied. A stable internet connection will also make the version history load smoothly. Next, click the version history. You'll find it from the menu bar by selecting File, then Version History, then See Version History. You can also click the small link in the toolbar area that says something like last edit was to jump straight in. Either route opens a panel that shows a timeline of saved versions. Google Docs saves versions automatically as you and others work, so you don't need to do anything special to make them appear. Now review the different versions and recover if you want to. On the right side, you'll see timestamps that represent each saved snapshot. Click any timestamp to preview how the document looked at that moment. Edits are color-coded by contributor, which makes it easy to spot what changed and who changed it. Use the arrows to step through edits within a version and watch the main document update as you navigate. If you find the version you want, select Restore this version at the top. Don't worry, restoring doesn't erase history. It simply makes that snapshot the current version, and you can still return to version history later if you change your mind. Take a moment to review before you confirm, especially if others are editing at the same time, so you restore the exact content you need. And that's it. Done. Version history is a powerful way to undo accidental deletions, compare drafts, or trace how a document evolved. Make it a habit to check the timeline when something looks off, and you'll save time and stress. If you're collaborating, consider letting teammates know when you restore a version so everyone